When you're low on cash, it doesn't get much better than a $180 tablet. Lenovo's new A series of tablets are built for buyers on a budget. The Lenovo A8 is a typical 8-inch tablet with HD display and other mid-range specs. It's certainly cheap, but how does it compare to the wallet-friendly 2013 Nexus 7 and the premium iPad mini? Let's find out. When it comes to 7 and 8-inch tablets, it's all about how easy it is to hold in one hand. As an 8-inch tablet, the Lenovo A8 is significantly wider than other small tablets and, consequently, much more difficult to use one-handed. The bezel around the tablet's edges is excessive and adds a lot more bulk to the design than is necessary. To make matters worse, the A8 is heavy, weighing 350 grams. The iPad mini, which is almost an 8-inch tablet with its 7.87-inch display, weighs just 331 grams and it's made out of aluminum, not plastic like the Lenovo tablet. The extra weight adds to the feeling that the A8 isn't meant to be held with only one hand. Lenovo's 10-inch A10 next to the A8. That said, Lenovo did manage to make the A8 very slim, measuring in at just 9 millimeters thick. The 2013 Nexus 7, which is the thinnest 7-inch Android tablet, is 8.65 millimeters thick. As far as looks go, the A8 is simple, if not a bit plain. Luckily, Lenovo offers the A8 in several different color options, including white, navy, yellow, and a coral color. The back has a matte finish, which feels nice to the touch. The Lenovo A8 features an 8-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels, which is quite a bit lower than the 1920 by 1200 pixel